Teacher ba, ma?
Hindi, lagi presidente yung nanay ko, ma-epal yung kilalang. Susumbo kita kay Dre. Lagi kong hindi ay 60 na ng grade mo, 7 ay 7 60 na dyan, 69 doon. Sabi ko, ay, tagal-tagal mo mag-class, tagal-tagal mo mag-class. Maraming oras na, ano ginawa mo? Times 8, times 8 na yan. Hindi naman.
Bahala ka dyan.
Gulat na gulat siya. Pag-ibagla.
Sino ba yun?
Yung kasama ko ba? Yan, malaking tao sa UP na yun. Eh, yung assistant ko. Tagal-tagal mo mag-class. Isipin mo i-rarras na 25, 28 pages. Oy,
Hindi mo I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Give you something good to celebrate. So make a wish. I'll make it like your birthday every day. I'll be your gift. Give you something good to celebrate. Pop your confetti, pop and carry on. So hot and heavy till dawn. I got you spinning like a disco ball. All night they're playing your song. We're living the life, we're doing it right. You're never gonna be unsatisfied. If you wanna dance, if you want it all, you know that I'm the girl that you should call. But when you're with me, I give you a taste. Make it like your birthday every day. I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Give you something good to celebrate. So make a wish. I'll make it like your birthday every day. I'll be your gift. Give you something good to celebrate. Happy birthday. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big balloons. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big, 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 big balloons. But when you're with me, I give you a taste. Make it like your birthday every day. I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Give you something good to celebrate. But when you're with me, I give you a taste. Make it like your birthday every day. I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Give you something good to celebrate. So make a wish. I'll make it like your birthday every day. I'll be your gift. Give you something good to celebrate. Happy birthday. Your picture perfect blue, sunbathing on the moon, stars shining as your bones illuminate. First kiss just like a drug, under your influence. It's hit me over, you're the magic in my veins. This must be love. Boom, clap, sound in my heart. The beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. Boom, clap, sound in my heart. The beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. No silver or no gold could dress me up so good. You're the glitter in the darkness of my world. Just tell me what to do, I'll fall right into you. Going under 'cause the spell, just say the word. I feel your love. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart. The beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to
thank you sa lahat po ng panlilibre. Yung tradisyon tuwing 13th month pay, siguro konti na lang nakakaalam nun. And yung pandesal every morning, walang palya. Basta nandyan ka, kompleto. Minsan may kasama pang pansit at Jollibee o kaya McDo. Salamat na busog mo kami. Well, thank you din. At siguro by the time you will see this, either nasa San Francisco na ako or malapit na. So, salamat pa rin and happy birthday agad. Sana nag-enjoy ka with MS6 family. Kamusta na lang? Mamimiss ko kayo lahat. Bye-bye!
Ang hot, literally hot na greeting po from Dubai. Happy birthday po. Ma'am Beth, magti-thank you na rin po ako. Hindi ko po yata nagawa yan. Pero anyway po, magti-thank you po ako sa mga masasayang times natin dyan sa Chinese. Mga kwentuhan, chismisan, lagi napapagalitan ang MS6 kasi may tayo lagi dahil sa mga green jokes niyan, ma'am. I love it. I miss it. At saka po, super thank you din po sa bonding, sa samahan na sinet nyo sa atin dyan. Kasi po, tuwing pumapasok po ako sa work, parang hindi work ang tingin ko sa kanya. Kasi po, parang is another chance to meet up with friends lang lagi. Kasi super komportable natin sa isa't isa. Tsaka nakakapag-share tayo ng mga problema sa isa't isa, mga iyakan moments dahil sa mga pagsubok sa buhay. Pero anyway, nandyan po kayo palagi sa mga times na yun, sa masasaya, sa mga malulungkot na times. Thank you po. Parang hindi lang po naging head nurse ang papel nyo sa buhay ko. Kayo na rin po yung second mother ko outside of home. Kayo rin po yung, alam nyo po yun, yung barkadang masasabihan mo ng kahit ano. Thank you po, ma'am. I love you po. I miss you po. I'll see you soon. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am Beth! Happy birthday! Thank you po sa lahat ng mga tinuro niyo sa akin. Madami akong natutunan sa inyo, pati sa mga seniors ko. Happy birthday ulit. I wish you good health and see you on my wedding day po. I miss you all, MS6 staff. Again, from the land down under, happy birthday, Ma'am Beth. Have a good
Happy
one.
birthday, Ma'am Beth! Kamusta? Kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Lalo na sa mga original MS6. Pasensya ka na. Ito lang ako contribute ko sa birthday mo. Alam ko, mismo na rin kami, lahat ng MS6. Pero, alam kong happy ka rin dyan dahil kahit na mga bagay nandyan, alam kong hindi ka nila bibigyan ng sakit ng ulo dahil napakabait mong head nurse, kaya napakaswerte nila. Wish ko lang sa'yo humaba pa lalo ang buhay mo para mas marami ka pang matulungan at masuportahang mga nurses dyan sa hospital. Sana dumating yung time o kaya next year magkita-kita ulit tayo. Salamat sa lahat at happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my second mom, Ma'am Beth. Ma'am, wish ko po good health and may the Lord God continue to guide you and bless you. Thank you so much, Ma'am Beth, for everything, especially po sa mga naitulong mo sa akin. You taught me how to be a good person. And big part po kayo ng life ko, kaya sobrang miss ko na po kayo. And hello to everyone. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Sobrang miss ko na kayo. And that's it. Bye-bye.